Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel ChemWis. In this video we are going to learn a very important name reaction, that is Clemmensen reduction. In this reaction, an aldehyde or ketone in the presence of zinc amalgam in concentrated HCl gets reduced to methylene compound. Thus, we can see that in Clemmensen reduction, CO group of an aldehyde or ketone gets reduced to CH2 group. Mechanism of Clemmensen reduction. The exact mechanism of Clemmensen reduction is not fully understood. The most popular mechanism is zinc carbonide mechanism. The reaction occurs on zinc surface. For the sake of better understanding, let's take two zinc atoms on the surface and one molecule of aldehyde or ketone above them. Single electron transfer from one zinc atom to oxygen and homolytic cleavage of carbonyl pi bond leads to the formation of this diradical. The diradical carbon and second zinc atom join together like this to produce another diradical. Homolytic cleavage of CO bond and single electron transfer from zinc to oxygen and carbon lead to the formation of zinc oxide and zinc carbonide. Addition of HCl to zinc carbon double bond by transfer of proton to carbon and chloride ion to zinc gives alkyl zinc chloride. Now, protonation of alkyl group of alkyl zinc chloride and transfer of chloride to zinc gives zinc chloride and this methylene compound. Now, let's have few examples. Reduction of benzaldehyde under Clemmensen condition. We know that in Clemmensen reduction, CO gets converted to CH2. So the product will be toluene, which can simply be drawn like this. Reduction of acetophenone under Clemmensen condition. Here also replace CO with CH2 to get the product, which is ethyl benzene. Clemmensen reduction of 4-oxo-4-phenyl butanoic acid. Replacement of keto with CH2 will give 4-phenyl butanoic acid, which can simply be drawn like this. Suzuki et al., when reduced this diketohydroxy ester under Clemmensen condition followed by treatment with excess zinc, produced diberylene carboxylic acid. Here the two keto groups have been reduced to two CH2 groups. Alcohol is first converted to chloro, which then replaced by H in the presence of zinc and HCl. The ester group was just hydrolyzed. Clemmensen reduction is not very effective for aliphatic and cyclic ketones. For their reduction, there is slightly modified condition. For example, cholesterol 3-one when treated with zinc powder and HCl in diethyl ether at -20 to 0 degrees centigrade produces cholesterol, where CO group was reduced to CH2. That's all in this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you like this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.